Hi, it's the Hub Mama. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you the incredibly easy process of adding an event in the IHUBApp. I'm going to be doing so from the builder from my laptop. So you'll go to build.ihub.app. You're going to log in with your credentials and you will land here on the dashboard. Once you're here, you'll click on Create and go down to Events. And we're going to come over here and click on Add Event. First is your title. Here you're going to stick in the address. I have an address here that I can use. A coffee shop that I like to go to. And you're going to click on Show Map. Make sure it's in the right place. That is. You're going to put in the start date. I'll just put it in for next Friday. Change your time as needed. You can put in your end date. If you click on that, it automatically just puts it in for the same date 1 hour later, so you can change accordingly. One of the nice things about events, posts, and such on IHUBApp is you can always choose a future publish date. So if you want to publish this at a later date, you just enter that date here. You can also put in an expiry date. You'd want to do this if you want to keep your hub really clean. If it's not relevant for anybody to see past events, then once you put in this expiry date, the event will automatically disappear from the events and nobody will see it. The time zone is going to be automatically set to whatever your time zone is for your hub. If you have an event in a different time zone, you can click here and change it. Next is show to these channels. And this is a really cool feature because this enables you to have a public event, which would be, as it's set by default, published onto that home channel. If you want it to make sure to go out to people's newsletters that are subscribed to different channels, you can click those here. But this is a great way if you are putting on some sort of premium event for people who are on a paid channel, or they're clients of yours that maybe you're coaching and you have a private channel for them. You can only display the event to them. You would just make sure that you uncheck home, because home is your public broadcast channel, and you would check the premium channels that you want it displayed on. But for now, I'm just going to leave this as a public event. Here you have a few options. They're all checked by default, but you can uncheck them as you want. Include in the newsletter, sending notifications. That's a push notification that goes out to people's devices when you publish. Allowing comments, and if you want to receive notification when a member registers. It's going to have you here as the creator. Now you've got an area where you can input as lengthy of a description as you want on the event description. I'm just going to put in a filler here so we can see that on the finished event. And then we come to the ticket area. So here you are able to create all sorts of different tickets, set their individual quantity and their individual price. You can add custom purchase dates, so that works great for like an early bird ticket that you only want available for a certain time. And you have the ability to add some different exceptions and other details here. And so you can create multiple tickets, like it shows here, adults, children, whatever you like. You do, in order to have this work here, you do have to have your iHub integrated with Stripe. So you'll have your Stripe account logins that you will input in the integration area down here. Or if you don't have a Stripe account, you just go open one up and then you'll go ahead and proceed with the integration. For this demonstration, I'm going to disable tickets. You can do that. You can just have it be an announcement of an event where you don't need RSVPs or tickets or anything like that. And here we have the option of either showing an image or a video. I'm always pushing people to do videos. They're just more dynamic. So, and they catch attention better. So I'm going to put in just a filler event promo video here. And that is it. That's how simple it is. You're going to click on save, and then you're going to go over here and click on publish. And now we can click on that event and we can view it. You have your video that automatically shows up here. Here's your title. Here's your event description. Obviously, that's going to be more lengthy and informative. And it shows you all the event details, includes the map. And then it gives you people the option of sharing it on these different platforms, also sharing the link. And then as we had left comments open, some people can leave comments here. And that's it. It doesn't get any easier than that. So this is one of the reasons I love the IHUBApp for my clients, is they are empowered to go do things themselves. Adding an event in WordPress with whatever plugin that your developer or designer has chosen for you it can be a hassle. It's not an easy process. So I'm really thrilled that IHUBApp has made creating an event so easy. So be sure and follow me, my YouTube channel, The Hub Mama, for other tutorials. And don't miss my hub, thehubmama.com, for all sorts of helpful information to support you on your IHUBApp journey. Have a great day. Thanks for being here.